VWMYQ 180LBS Adjustable Pilates Toning Bar Kit with resistance bands, anti-brake, full-body dynamic workout, home portable gym. Superscript A Multifunction Pilates Bar Set. It is easy to assemble, easy to carry, high quality, extra anti-braking design resistance band, which is safer to use. Like a mini mobile gym, simulates exercise bands, dumbbells, pull-down machine, chest expander, barbells, resistance bands exercises strength training. Able to train all 6 major muscle groups: arms, back, shoulder, chest, legs and hip. Superscript A highest quality materials. Pilates stick is made of thickened premium steel wrapped with thickened NBR foam grip for comfort. Outer diameter 0.43 and thickness 0.12 natural latex tubes, made of 100% natural latex, strong and durable, with strong wear resistance and perfect elasticity. With high-quality nylon protective sleeve and heavy-duty carabiners, make it can endure high-strength stretching exercises and prevent you from injury. Non-slip handle, comfortable and absorbent. Superscript A adjustable resistance with 6 anti-brake resistance bands. Each resistance band provides 30 pounds. You can choose the resistance that suits you. Get on yoga, resistance band exercises, pilates, fitness, and other exercises. Help you lose weight, gain muscle. The resistance band is 19 inches, and the size cannot be adjusted. Please check the size picture before buying, especially for the squat function. Whether it fits your body. Superscript A easy to assemble and carry detachable design. Simple disassembly and assembly requires only 3 steps. Small size. The pole has a total length of 1 meter. The length is only 50 centimeters, 19 inches, after disassembly. Portable and easy to store, suitable for various occasions such as home fitness studio, office travel, outdoor, etc. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.